Welcome to Iron Slug's Garage with an amazing update, I might add. So the last video you saw just a wiring disaster, and at the end of it all the truck didn't run. So I was just tracing and looking, and I just couldn't figure out for the life of me what was not connected. Tried a couple of things, maybe it didn't make a difference. But it tried to start, it sputtered a little bit, and I was like, there's something loose. So I went back around, checked all my grounds. I grounded here, it was really loose. And this small portion that's left probably wasn't grounding to the frame. That's my guess. I'm no expert. That's just what I'm thinking. I moved the ground, moved it into the frame. This is all the fuel pump ground here. And hopefully I don't make a fool of myself. Last time it started, I got the camera, didn't work. But keys over. And it runs! Can you believe that? It's amazing! It runs. Holy crap, it runs. So, I will say, if I can make this wiring work, anybody can do it. Anybody. It was cool. My book came in, and I was going through it, and I was just flipping all over this thing, and just I don't know. It was a ground. It was bad ground. It all was bad ground. So now, what I'm gonna do here, my inertia switch, I believe this is what it's called, the reset switch, the fuel pump relay or module, whatever the crap is. These are going in the cab. I have to clean up all this again. I mean, it was all nice and pretty before, and then I tore it all up. So we're gonna move everything fuel related inside the cab and just extend these wires and tie them somewhere else. And because when the bed goes down, it's going to be covered. I don't want to have to, these ever got to be changed at some point. I don't want to have to tear apart my bed just to find them, and keep them out of the rain. Yeah, it's just a quick little update. Not sure how quickly I'll be able to get all this wiring up finished, so I don't know. Maybe I'll work on it this weekend. Snip these wires off and tie it into my new ignition, so I can completely get rid of that. Throw in my new steering column. Put my crown bit cluster there. It's gonna look stupid, but I don't care. It's gonna go there. But it runs. Hopefully it drives. So find that out one day. But that's it. Stay tuned for some more updates. Thanks for watching.